Hey everyone, I'm Andy Raffel from eTeknix.com, and today we have a slightly different video for you. We're actually going to be giving away a system. This system. So if you may remember rightly, we actually reviewed this chassis, which is the GameMax Abyss, probably within the last sort of year. And we actually found it to be really nice. It's a huge system that can, well, pretty much house all of the most extreme parts. So we do have a very nice system up for grabs here today, and I just want to talk through a little bit about the specs, and then I'll tell you exactly how you can go about winning it. So to start with, it comes included with an ASUS B450 Plus ATX motherboard. Inside that is an AMD Ryzen 2600, which operates at 3.9 GHz. This is, of course, a 6-core processor, 12 threads. To cool this down, we do have a GameMax 240mm Iceberg AIO liquid cooler. Memory-wise, we have 2x8GB of Corsair 3000 MHz Vengeance Pro memory. As you can see, this lights up very, very nicely with the RGB lighting effects. For storage, it has an ADATA SU650 240GB SSD. The whole system is powered by a GameMax 550W power supply, which of course is also RGB. Graphics card, there's an ASUS GeForce GTX 1066GB, which is going to be more than enough for even the most demanding games today. And as we mentioned earlier, everything is housed very nicely inside the GameMax Abyss, which has this nice purple LED strip down the side, has a nice fan in the back, and also that wonderful looking infinity mirror in the front. So I'm guessing now you all want to know how you go about winning this. Well, it couldn't be simpler. As you know, with all of our past giveaways, we always use Gleam. It is fair, it's nice and easy to track things, and it gives you guys, well, more opportunities to actually win the prize that's on offer. So all you have to do is make sure that you click in the description below if you're watching this on YouTube, but if you're watching this on eTeknix.com, then we will have instructions on there on exactly how to win this amazing prize. It is open globally, and we will be taking care of all of the shipping costs. The only thing is, obviously, if you are in another country, you may have to take care of import duty, taxes, and that kind of thing, depending on your country. But other than that, guys, I guess the best thing I can say is good luck, and hopefully you win it. Until the next video, you know what to do. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.